Hi guys, welcome to my celebrity life. DM देख लिया करो दीदी. I get so much बकवास in my DM कि मैं अपना DM देखना छोड़ दिया. मुझे लोग पूरे दिन गाली देते रहते हैं. तो यार बहुत राइट वीडियो बनाया है. Totally agree with you. Thank you so much. It's just that I use humor as a form of defense mechanism, and because it's a very serious topic, I wanted to keep it a little sarcastic and ironic. But I didn't realize I'm a pseudo feminist for speaking about it. So yeah, that is why I never post any political videos या कोई किसी issue के बारे में video, because people have a problem with everything. इसलिए I was thinking of deleting that video, but I don't know. Hi guys, hi क्या आगे भी बोला करो यार. Keep the conversation going, babes. लव यू कुतिया भाई. इतना हक मेरे घर वाले नहीं जमाते मुझ पे. दीदी मैंने आपकी एक एडिट बनाई है विच आई डीएम यू. कैन यू प्लीज चेक इट आउट. आई चेक इट आउट आफ्टर दिस लाइव. मुझे एक और बार दोबारा से डीएम कर देना. आई एम रियली सॉरी. Twerk. Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Anything else that you'd like from me? ग्लोबल को जरा हम अभी मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस पे थी तो मैंने सारी गालियां सुनी. बट गुड वर्क गाइज, गुड गेम. मैच नहीं देखना यार. मैंने 4-5 दिन से एक्चुअली मैच नहीं देखा. लाइव में ले लो प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. नहीं 30-day outfit challenge is bomb. Thank you यार, thank you. Like people who DM me कि they like my outfit videos. Thank you यार. मुझे कभी कॉमेडी करना नहीं था, ठीक है. I mean, if I'm being very honest, I don't enjoy doing comedy that much, but I love doing fashion, and I always wanted to do fashion. पर फिर मुझे मतलब I didn't have any clothes घर पे and stuff. तो फिर इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया और आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग कॉमेडी वीडियोस. और फिर वो मैं गलती से वायरल हो गई. एंड नाउ आई हैव दी 78,000 पीपल टेलिंग मी कि आई शुडंट डू फैशन बिकॉज आई सक एट इट एंड दे लाइक माई कॉमेडी वीडियोस एंड आई शुड स्टॉप. बट या feels good. And yes, Food Factory, shut up. It's nothing alive is going on. Are we going to witness a live outfit transition? No. Yeah, I'm really bad at transitions. Like really bad at transitions. मतलब वो सिर्फ वो हेयर फ्लिप वाला ट्रांजिशन करने में मुझे 15 से 20 बार रीटेक करना पड़ा. Like the first time I made it was like bro this is tough. But फिर दूसरी बार it was fine. But still. मॉडल बन जाओ. कोई यार मुझे हायर नहीं करेगा वरना मैं पक्का बन जाती. Fashion is a bomb. Thank you. Hi, adorable daughter Purva. How are you? Okay, so I have some questions. I have 34 questions. जिसमें से आज ज़्यादा questions will be DM देख लो दीदी कितने साल की हो दीदी. I won't answer मैं कितने साल की हूँ. I won't answer मैं किस कॉलेज से हूँ. I won't answer कि मैं कहाँ रहती हूँ. उसके अलावा if you have any questions, you can just drop it down below. Shut up. It's just 78K. I'm lost in between. Shut up. You're so underrated. I love your humor. Okay, thank you. Who are you? I don't know. I'm confused sometimes. Hello, Purva. Are you single? No, I'm not single. You wanted song suggestions, right? I sent you a huge list. Please check them. Thank you. I will. You look like my ex. I don't know why. I think your ex must be very hot then. सॉन्ग कौन सा है? इट्स इससे पहले इट वाज वुमेन लाइक मी एंड नाउ इट्स यू नीड टू काम डाउन. What happened in Inglu? That's personal. Real spontaneous humor or scripted? Every reel I post is scripted. Nothing is spontaneous. I think my accent is spontaneous, my expressions are spontaneous, but the dialogues are always scripted. Is it true you're doing engineering? Yes. Why so hot? I don't know. Jeans. How many companies have you collaborated with? Not a lot. I think 3 or 4. Three or four, yeah. Food Factory is the most supportive and cutest boyfriend. Seriously, I'm feeling so nice reading the comments right now. It is true. He is the most supportive, cutest, loveliest person in the world. Where did you get your hair done? Okay, तो कॉलेज जाने से पहले मैंने you know those Pinterest mood boards in which you have like those ombre hair and curls. तो मैंने उस बंदे को वो करने को कहा एंड उस बंदे ने मेरे यहाँ से लेकर लिटरली यहाँ से लेकर और नीचे तक पूरे बाल येलो कर दिए. एंड इट लुक्ड हिडियस और मेरा कॉलेज शुरू होने वाला था 2 दिन में. तो फिर मैंने अपने बाल ब्लैक कलर करा लिए एंड तब से कलर फेड हो जा रहे हैं एंड दिस इज माई कलर नाउ. I didn't get my hair done after that. यशवर्धन तुम लाइव चल रहे हो तो बताओ मेरे साथ. तुम्हारा बर्थडे भी है, आओ तुम्हारा रिश्ता कराए, फिर तुम सीसीडी लेके जाना अपनी बंदी को. How many boyfriends? 4 at the moment, but like it keeps shifting between 4 and 10. Depends on my mood. Bro, I'm joining your college. Big fan, bro. I swear to God, भाई मैं मणिपाल का इतना फायदा करा रही हूँ ना. They should like really hire me as some sort of ambassador and pay me shit. क्योंकि मणिपाल से डिग्री करने के बाद you don't get a नौकरी, so at least I should get कहीं से तो पैसे मिलने चाहिए. गाली देना एक बार यार. मेरी मम्मी बस एकदम साइड में है और मेरे पापा भी आज घर पे हैं. जब पापा घर पे होते हैं तो हम गाली नहीं देते, हम संस्कारी लड़की की तरह रहते हैं. माई डैड इज़ वेरी पूरे कपड़े पहना करो, गाली मत दिया करो, बाहर मत घुमा करो टाइप्स. तो इसलिए दीदी आपको मुन्ना चाहिए क्या? मकबूल. हु वाज मकबूल? मकबूल कौन था? ओ मकबूल जो मुन्ना के लिए मर गया, वही था ना यार. ऑब्वियसली भाई मकबूल. You just said your college name. Yes, it's Manipal University, Jaipur. Tell me, are you virgin or not? No. Are you happy now? Favorite actor in Bollywood? It has, the favorite actress has to be Alia Bhatt. I think इस टाइम इंडस्ट्री में कोई भी उससे अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं करता. अगर अपने से एक जनरेशन पहले की बात हो तो इट वुड बी करीना कपूर. एंड फेवरेट एक्टर आमिर खान यार, हैंड्स डाउन. 100K सून मत बोलो यार, पता नहीं किसकी नजर लग गई है. मतलब मेरे दिन में भाई 4-4 हज़ार फॉलोअर्स बढ़ जाते थे, अब मेरे एक महीने में 4,000 फॉलोअर्स नहीं बढ़ते. नहीं होंगे 100 के. मत बोलो मत बोलो मत बोलो, बुरा लगता है भाई दिल से. आई लाइक योर नेल्स, थैंक्स. और भाई प्लीज मेरी हर वीडियो के नीचे एक बंदा कमेंट कर दे कि तुम्हारा ये वाला नाखून नहीं है. एंड इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजंस यू थिंक. टूट गया था यार, इसका भी टूट गया. वो कंपाउंडर था यार. फिर मकबूल कौन? अच्छा मकबूल वो था जो पंकज त्रिपाठी के साथ जो रहता है. या ही वॉज वेरी लॉयल, विच कांट रिलेट. एक्चुअली आई डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स, सो आई कांट रिलेट विद एनीथिंग. Save this live. Okay, I will save this live यार. वैसे I never save my lives because I share too much personal information जो कि बाद में किसी को नहीं सुननी चाहिए. But still, हाँ यार मकबूल कालिक भैया का लॉयल था. I'm sorry, I'm so bad with names यार. Favorite Netflix show? यार I don't have a favorite show. How to Get Away with Murder is really nice. Lovesick is really nice. आई डोंट नो यार, आई डोंट हैव अ फेवरेट सीरीज. 80 के होंगे पक्का इसी वीक में. देखो भाई. मणिपाल सेम. I really wanted you to come live. Thank you. मिर्जापुर वाली वीडियो बहुत खतरनाक थी. प्लीज एक गाली. नो यार, आज नहीं, कल लाइव आऊंगी तो पक्का गाली दूंगी. आई एम कमिंग टू मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. होप टू मीट यू देयर. होप तुम्हारे माँ बाप ने तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा नहीं सुना है क्योंकि तुम उनका बहुत ज्यादा खर्चा कराने वाले हो. क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ लो यार. इट्स लाइक मेरा फिल्टर हट जाता है यार जब भी मैं क्वेश्चन खोलने के लिए पढ़ती हूँ तो. What's your age? 20s. I am 19. I just turned 19 2 महीने पहले. Have your parents always been supportive of what you do? Bro, always होने के लिए अभी होना पड़ता है. They're not supportive in literally anything I do. So I'm like used to it now. You look like Chutki from Chhota Bheem. Okay. लिपस्टिक शेड यार, मैंने रेड लिपस्टिक लगाई थी, उसके बाद मैंने खाना खा लिया और फिर उसके बाद मैंने लिपस्टिक खा लिया. एंड नाउ दिस इज दिस. व्हाई आर यू सपोर्टिंग नेपोटिज्म? बिकॉज शी इज अ ग्रेट एक्टर and the whole nepotism angle should die now because as we have established it wasn't a suicide. And maybe you guys should make up your mind कि तुम किसको blame कर रहे हो, आलिया भट्ट को या रिया चक्रवर्ती को. And I really love Alia Bhatt's acting. Like, name one better actress. Nepotism, non-nepotism doesn't matter, bhai. Do you play Among Us? Yes, I do, but only अपने class के बच्चों के साथ, because then we can bitch about teachers. And मतलब they are all first benchers, तो मैं उनके मजे ले सकती हूँ. It's real fun. I love it. तू बहुत cool है भाई. Love you too. कोई backlog है आज तक नहीं. बट आई थिंक मैं इस सेमेस्टर डिटेन हो जाऊंगी. मतलब मैं घर पे रह के क्लासेस नहीं अटेंड करने वाली हूँ. लाइक प्लीज अगर कोई मुझसे सच में प्यार करते तो मेरी क्लासेस अटेंड कर दो यार. लुक्स लाइक यू फ्लॉन्टिंग योर हेयर. नो, माई हेयर इज वेरी इरिटेटिंग एंड बेसिकली इफ आई पुश बैक माई हेयर आई लुक लाइक एन एग. तो इसलिए आई हैव टू कीप माई हेयर लाइक दिस एंड फिर वो मेरी आंखों में आते रहते. तो आई कीप एडजस्टिंग इट बट आई एम नॉट फ्लॉन्टिंग एनीथिंग. मेरे में लिटरली कुछ भी फ्लॉन्ट करने लायक नहीं है. क्या पबजी अनबैन हो गया? प्लीज टेल मी. नहीं यार, मैंने यूएस स्टोर से डाउनलोड किया था. क्लबिंग और हाउस पार्टी? क्लबिंग एनी डे ब्रो, एनी डे. लाइक आई लिव फॉर द वाइब ऑफ क्लबिंग, यू नो. इट्स लाइक डांसिंग इन द क्राउड वे पीपल डोंट नो यू. हैज अ डिफरेंट फील टू इट. आई थिंक इंडिया में उतनी फील नहीं आती बट आई वेंट क्लबिंग बाली में एंड इट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. आई थिंक सबको क्लबिंग जाना चाहिए अपने देश के बाहर बिकॉज मतलब इट वॉज एक्चुअली अ गे क्लब इन बाली. तो एवरी वन वॉज गे ऑब्वियसली. सिर्फ मैं और मेरा दोस्त थे कि हम स्ट्रेट थे एंड बाकी सब गे थे. तो माहौल वॉज वेरी नाइस. दे वर ड्रैग क्वींस एंड दे वर गाइज किसिंग गाइज एंड गर्ल्स किसिंग गर्ल्स. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी सेफ इन्वायरमेंट. लाइक आई न्यू कि कोई लड़का पीछे से आके ही वोंट जस्ट स्पैंक मी. तो ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. हाई रिकमेंड 100%. How do you cope with this? Like when they oppose this, I cry, bro. I cry 24/7, and then I make a video and post it, and then I cry. That's life. You look like the hot version of Jadoo. मतलब मैं लिटरली लोगों की लाइफ देखती हूँ ना, वहाँ पर लोग एक दूसरे को कह रहे होते हैं यू लुक लाइक जेनिफर विंगेट, यू लुक लाइक रेचल ग्रीन, यू लुक लाइक जेनिफर एनिस्टन, एंड आई लुक लाइक जादू, आई लुक लाइक चुटकी. ब्रो व्हाट द हेल ब्रो. Siblings? हाँ यार, मेरा भाई है. He's 9 years younger than me. What subjects are you studying? I'm doing engineering and computer science. Hi Dee, please take my name once. Hi Yashasvi. You have beautiful eyes. Thank you. You're the first one to say that. Thank you. Shraddha Kapoor. Bhai, I don't think she's a great actor. I mean, I like Alia Bhatt more यार. It's just a personal preference. Everyone is a great actor. और मैं तो कभी उस लेवल तक पहुंच नहीं सकती तो मेरा कोई हक नहीं है किसी के बारे में कुछ भी कहने का. बट आई रियली रियली लाइक Alia Bhatt's acting. End of conversation bro. Like just stop it. वो टॉयलेट वाली हीरोइन, टॉयलेट वाली हीरोइन अनन्या पांडे इज द बेस्ट एक्टर. Hate to disagree. कभी फ्री फायर खेलो ना यार. आई हेट प्लेइंग पबजी, आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट. बट मेरे भाई को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, फिर वो मुझे फोर्स करते हैं अपने साथ खेलने के लिए. मेरा बंदा भी मुझे फोर्स करता है अपने साथ खेलने के लिए, तो इसलिए मेरे फ़ोन में पबजी है. वैसे मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खेलती हूँ. दी कोडिंग क्या होती है, प्लीज़ टेल मी, उसमें क्या होता है? बेसिकली कोडिंग में यू राइट programs which don't really have a meaning. It's supposed to get you a job which it really doesn't. And yeah, you spent 2 hours of your days trying to find a semicolon. That's coding for you, babe. What's your favorite sport? I hate sports. I don't have a favorite sport. I mean, I like watching cricket. That is the only sport I watch. But playing, honey, hell no. I don't play anything. I just sit in a corner. That's my vibe. Oh my god, why did you follow me? Because you are a sweetheart and I love you. That is why I followed you. Because people were writing shit on my video and you commented and it was really sweet and that is why I followed you. A word for haters. I don't know. Fuck off. That's 2 words, but that's the only word I have, yaar. And I have like so many haters. They should have like a club. Do you watch K-drama? No. Play Dynamite. Okay. Oh my god, I love this song. Okay. First year or second year? मैं भी third year में गई यार 2 महीने पहले, 2-3 महीने पहले. Imagine if you can travel in time, what advice would you give to your past self? You think I can give anyone any advice? I would tell myself to not listen to myself. That's good advice. क्या? किसके साथ? कहाँ से? ठीक ठीक थी. अच्छा, अच्छी थी फिर. Okay. I used your filter and mentioned you, but you didn't even see it. यार, I'm sorry भाई, इतने सारे लोगों ने यूज़ कर लिया है तो और कि 2-3 लोग ही यूज़ करेंगे, तो I like repost them because so cute. पर फिर बहुत सारी stories थी and I just got confused. Are you into K-pop? No, not really. There aren't much gay clubs in India. Is there one gay club in India? Like, I really want to know. I don't know. Are there any gay clubs in India? Dynamite. You look a bit like Alia. Thanks, babe. Thank you so much. Cartoon character से आगे बढ़ने के लिए. You are so true, Swiftie. Yaar, I love Taylor Swift. I think the first English Ghana I listened to was Baby. Alright. But the second Ghana I listened to was Love Story, and tab se me and Taylor Swift with chuddy buddies. She doesn't know, but she's my best friend. If you said favorite actress Kangana Ranaut, I would really appreciate. I mean, yeah, Kangana did some really great movies like Tannu Mannu and Queen, but I think she's not. But I love her, okay? I am not hating on anyone. I love everyone, but Alia Bhatt is my favorite. खत्म कर दो भाई. Lamau video on being a programming student. Let's do it. I love this idea. Let's do it. Print hello beautiful. अगर तुम C में लिखते तो ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है. I would have Java में. अगर तुम Java में लिखते तो ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है. I would have appreciated it more, but this works fine too. Coding is good. If you can't do it, please don't say anything. Okay, I won't say anything. Coding is very good. I love coding. Are you happy now? Idiots. I really admire you so brutally. Sorry, I cannot form words. I'm not educated enough. Your favorite Taylor Swift song? Lover. Hands down Lover. Stop eating your nails. I'm not eating my nails यार, क्या दिक्कत है? मैं अपने बाल नहीं छू सकती, मैं अपने नाखून नहीं खा सकती, मैं बोल नहीं सकती, मैं जोक नहीं मार सकती, मैं क्या करूँ यार? You look like mostly sane, but your humor is way better than her. We don't compare two queens. I mean, I'm not a queen. We don't compare a queen with a beggar. यार, what the hell, bro? Okay. यार एक तो भाई मुझे एक बात बताओ, एवरी सिंगल वीडियो आई मेक उसमें कोई ना कोई ये कह रहा होता है तुम कभी उस लेवल तक नहीं पहुंच सकती तो मत बोलो, तुम्हें अगर नहीं आता है तो मत बोलो। तो भाई हाउ विल आई डू कॉमेडी? लाइक जस्ट टेल मी कि तुम्हें कौन सा टॉपिक अच्छा लगता है, मैं उस पर वीडियो बना दूंगी जिसमें तुम्हें दिक्कत ना हो। आप मेरा लास्ट ऑप्शन थी लाइव वीडियो अटेंड करने के लिए, सो ब्रह्मास्त्र और बता। सब बढ़िया, तू बता। हाउ डू यू ट्रीट योर क्रीपी डीएम्स? यार आई डोंट सी डीएम्स अ लॉट। Lamau, same with all the hating going on. I love her, but I still love her. Yeah, me too. How do you deal with threats? Bro, I get rape threats, I get death threats, and like there are two major videos just where I got a lot of rape and death threats. That was the shit MI fans are tired of hearing and shit CSK fans are tired of hearing. And I swear to God, अगर तुम if you're ever running out of गालियाँ, उस बस वीडियो के कमेंट्स पढ़ लो and you can have so many ideas. Do you look like Modi ji? Okay, वैसे पता है I can cry on cue. See, I'm so good at this. I know I should be an actor now. Favorite Indian vlogger? No one. I don't really watch a lot of Indian YouTube. You're so damn beautiful. Thank you. Favorite Selena Gomez song? Rare. I love Rare. You look like Joey King from Kissing Booth. She's really pretty. Thank you. Lose You to Love Me or Rare? I think Lose You to Love Me has more emotions, but I like the tune of Rare more. Like it is something I can vibe to. Have you watched Elite? Yes, I actually had to give an audition for a Netflix series, so I watched Elite. But I didn't get selected, so yeah. Boy with Love, yes, that's a song. Words for Mermaid Skin. I think she's doing her thing. She's really popular. Her makeup skills and her fashion sense is to die for. I love it. How did you come to this level? Like, did you start off on TikTok? No, I was not on TikTok. I actually used to roast TikTokers, and that is how I got popular. Yeah. I mean, no, I made like two roasts on TikTokers, and like, usse pehle tak all my videos had 1,000 or 500 views, and then that video got 40,000 views. So like, that is from where I was like, yes, I can do this because people are like watching my videos now. That was the first video that I would say was viral because 40,000 was viral for me back then. And yeah, now I think 1 million is also not viral for me because I have hit 1 million 4 बार अपनी reels पे, and it's like मतलब यार at one point views just stop giving you happiness and they just stop making you feel like they stop making you feel special. They stop making you feel special. Yeah. Few words for Carrie Minati. I love Carrie Minati, bro. Billie Eilish favorite song? You should see me in a crown. You're 19, third year in college. I came to college when I was 16. I mean, I was just about to turn 17 in like 15 days. But yeah, I was so proud of of myself. I used to tell everyone, you know what, bro, I'm 16. I'm 16. How many tattoos do you have? Just one tattoo here. Here you go. This is the only tattoo I have. Types of people in the comment. I am very salty about my comment section. Like, you cannot imagine how much hate affects me. I am so unproud of myself. How much hate affects me. But yeah, I think if I ever make a video on types of people in the comment section, it will all be about hate, and it's gonna be good, babe. But yeah, I just don't feel like giving people so much power. I really wish I had friends like you. I really wish I had friends. Ooh, you should go on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, but YouTube takes so much effort, so I don't post on YouTube. You used to roast TikTokers, and now you are not less than a TikToker. Mubarak ho, we have already established that. Do you like Selena Gomez? I love Selena Gomez. You watch Stranger Things? No. A video on Among Us. यार पिट गया है भाई वो टॉपिक. मैं लिटरली जितने लोगों को जानती हूँ सब ने उस पर वीडियो बनाई है. एंड लाइक उसके अलावा मेरे पास कुछ खास कहने को नहीं है Among Us पे. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक आई कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट समथिंग बिग टू द कम्युनिटी. तो ठीक है. कुड़ी ने नजर न लगे. लव लव. थैंक यू. योर आउटफिट्स. ओ माय गॉड. थैंक यू. ओके. But I actually discovered Jeremy Zucker. Is that how you say his name? ठीक है. Tub when he was not famous. Like his videos had like 50k views, and I was like so proud of it. And then one of his songs was on TikTok, and it got like really viral, and he got viral, and I was so heartbroken because he's such a good singer, and he writes such meaningful songs. I mean, I love people who write these chill vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, you know, matlab yaar, it's like they're songs about depression, but sunne mein they feel calming. Like that is that is the why can I not speak? Like that is the genre of music I really like. Oh my god, I was reading a similar Kruti today. Video on cartoon. Do you like Zayn Malik? No, not really. I mean, he was good till like One Direction, but then आजा या आजा आजा ना. Your view. Gossip Girl, please. Okay, I think someone did Gossip Girl. I don't know. अगर like there are two people जिनमें से एक पे मुझे लगता है कि they did Gossip Girl पे वीडियो, एंड अगर उन्होंने नहीं किया होगा I'll do. दीदी थिएटर किड पे एक वीडियो बनाओ. What is Theater Kid? Is it a movie? Is it a series? I'm sorry. Do you like Taylor Swift? India wants to know. I love Taylor Swift. I would die for Taylor Swift. I would get Swiftie tattooed. No, I cannot do that. I am very particular about my tattoos. What's your age? 19. 19. You cutie. Thank you. Hi guys, meet my brother. Bablu. He's the real life Bablu. He's such a cutie. Hi, what's your real name? दीदी गैग्स को बुला दो. दीप भैया कह रहे हैं. और इससे पहले फूटू चापी भैया भी कह रहे थे कि गैग्स को बुला दो.
अब आ गए लो भैया, क्या करना है. अब जो बोलना आप बोलो. मुझे गाना पसंद आया.
Please baby, alright. I'm hot baby. नहीं, मुझे शायद फीवर है थोड़ा सा. Do you like Vridhi Patwa reels? And if you do you think she deserves so much hate? I have actually wanted to talk about this. Vridhi and Sakshi. I don't think both of them deserve even 1% of the hate they get. I mean, everyone has different opinions about jokes and sense of humor. I think humor is obviously subjective, but yeah, just because someone's putting their opinion in the universe and they're making videos in front of a mirror with their hands like this does not mean that they deserve hate. And people really need to take a break. Like, अगर तुम लोग इतना ज़्यादा सुशांत सिंह के बारे में बोल रहे थे कि mental health matters, mental health is so important, repeat after me, depression is real, so maybe you should also think before you comment on someone's videos. And I started realizing that after I started getting hate on my video कि how much it can affect a person. But I really appreciate Sakshi and Vridhi because उन्हें इतना hate आता है and they are still making videos. They're still making videos every day, putting it out there for people to hate, for people to judge. And like wow, I could never do that. जब मेरे पास कोई hate comment आता है, I literally cry for hours. I don't post for 3 days and then I post again and then the cycle just keeps going. अगर टाइटैनिक पर श्री राम लिखा होता तो क्या टाइटैनिक पानी में डूबती? कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? ऑब्वियसली नॉट यार, इडियट्स. आपके भाई का क्या नाम है? इसका नाम है गगनेश, बट वी कॉल हिम गैग्स.
और कृष्ण
इसका यूट्यूब चैनल है गैग्स गेमिंग करके. ही इज अ गैग्स.
बस
मुझे अपना भाई ही बना लो. आ जाओ यार.
लेकिन भाई थोड़ी बहन बनोगे.
Dee, please make a video on types of people in public washroom. I know it's a little bit weird. Okay, done. मतलब not done, but मैं सोचूंगी. Girl, you're on fire. Just wanted to say thank you. अरे भाई, ये पीछे कौन खड़ा है भाई? ये मेरा भाई है यार.
10 बार बोल चुके हो.
Views on Priya. Who's Priya? Not a regular Nari is Priya, तो I love her. She's my babe. But अगर उसके अलावा कोई और है तो I don't know. Let me know. Okay, babe. Who copies your videos? No one. I just wanted to know that you do not deserve even 1% of the hate you get. Thank you. I love you, yaar. I'm so grateful for having people like you. And thank you, yaar. May God bless you. That is such a weird thing to say, but I really wish that you get all the happiness in the world. That is also a very weird thing to say. Also, God doesn't really listen to me, so you're on your own, babe. Cute brother. Yes. Did you played PUBG before ban? Yes. ये मुझे जबरदस्ती PUBG खिलाता था.
और अब दीदी को लत लग चुकी है.
What is the opposite of Domino's? Wow, my 2 brain cells are trying to think, and I don't know. I can't think of any joke. I'm sorry. I know one person who copies your videos. I dare you to not say the name, please. दी, आप कौन से स्कूल से पास आउट हो? आई वॉज पहले आई वॉज इन एवरग्रीन पब्लिक स्कूल इन दिल्ली, देन आई वॉज इन खितान पब्लिक स्कूल इन नोएडा, देन आई वॉज इन कॉन्वेंट ऑफ जीसस एंड मेरी इन अम्बाला, एंड देन DPS पानीपत.
सनी मोड. डोमिनोज का उल्टा सनी मोड.
कहाँ लिखा था क्या उसने?
नहीं, मैंने खुद बोला अपने दिमाग से.
हुई ही नहीं रे, तू ही कर दिया है ना ब्रो. आई एम ड्रैगन बॉल पॉइंट बी इन द बुक. भाई पता नहीं क्या कह रहा है भाई यार. यू सो क्यूट. You're so cute also. Your content is hilarious. Lots of love. What's your age? I am 19 and thank you. Make videos on views about never have I ever. Okay. आप इतनी cute हो. Keep smiling. Oh my god, education. Your content is insane and I love it. I also create funny reels and you inspire me so much. Thank you. Hugs. Virtual hugs. जावा में पॉइंटर्स क्यों नहीं होते भाई? क्या वाइवा चल रहा है क्या? ये सब मत पूछा करो यहाँ पे. Which one do you prefer, pizza or burger? Depends. What is it? Is it cheese burst? I mean, if it's KFC का burger, KFC. Other than that, it's pizza. why is the name Bad Vibes Only? Because there's literally like no good vibes, because there's nothing good going on in my life, so there's only bad vibes. No, I think good vibes only is such an overstatement. I have never seen a good vibe person जिसने लिखा हो good vibes only. So yeah, it's bad vibes only, because that's how we bad bitches roll, babe. इतने सारे स्कूल क्यों? My dad keeps transferring every 3 years. हाँ,
यार वो ये बताओ कि अभी पबजी ओल्ड वर्जन का बैन हुआ है कि नहीं? पूरा
हो गया है.
ओल्ड वर्जन पूरा हो गया.
हाँ. Make a roast on BTS, please. No. मैं अब किसी का भी रोस्ट नहीं करूंगी जीवन में कभी भी. जब मैं रोस्ट नहीं भी करती तब भी लोग ऑफेंस ले लेते हैं. जब मैं रोस्ट करूंगी तो लोग पक्का ऑफेंस ले लेंगे. और मुझे नहीं सुननी चाहिए बकवास लोगों की. मुझे खुलवा दो यार, सेम यार, प्लीज कोई कॉलेज खुलवा दो. लाइक आई एम सच अ हैप्पियर पर्सन जब कॉलेज खुला होता है. लाइक हनी, यू शुड सी मी. I mean, I'm not a happier person, but it's just that कि मेरी रोज किसी ना किसी टीचर से लड़ाई हो जाती है. And then I have like these rant sessions. I remember एक बार मैं अपने हॉस्टल ब्लॉक के सामने खड़ी थी and I was just yelling for 30 minutes कि मेरे को मेरे टीचर ने अटेंडेंस नहीं दी. And एक बंदे ने, he was a first year, ठीक है, and तब I was in second year and कॉलेज शुरू हुआ ही था. मतलब वो लोग अभी आए थे कॉलेज में. And he told me, दीदी वाओ आप कितना अच्छा बोले, you should start a YouTube channel. I was like, yeah, I should maybe start ranting on my YouTube channel. That'd be great. यार एक बहुत, you're so confident and savage, you don't really deserve hate. You're amazing and you need to know that. Stop crying over stupid people who don't understand your humor. Thank you so much. I love you. Let me pin this comment. Such sweethearts. Yeah, it's just that कि मैं भी लोगों को कहती थी कि you know what, if people hate you, just use it as a fuel to work harder. But I don't know, that's not happening for me थोड़े टाइम से. And I really want to take a big break from Instagram. By big I mean like for 1 week, but then I know my reach will drop and people will unfollow me. I mean, I am doing this for such wrong reasons. I should be doing this because I love this, but I'm doing this because I want that clout. Like, that's so wrong. That is so wrong. But yeah, if I stop posting ekdam se, this is the reason why 860 people heard it first. You should get 2 million followers. I mean, I agree, bro.
पहले 500 के तो
Shut up. Isn't my brother cute? He's so cute.
No.
He's so cute.
No.
He's so cute.
Not a problem.
Fall back to the safe zone ASAP.
I'm really sorry.
दी so sorry, मेरे boards हैं इसलिए inactive हूँ. If you need any help, contact me. I'll tell you books, I'll tell you topics. I was really good in my boards. मेरा 10 GPA था 10th में, 95.4% थे 12th में. And I say this in every life because babe, मेरे नंबर आया और उसका मुझसे आज तक कभी किसी ने नहीं पूछा है. So y'all better know, you all better know. You live in hostel? Yes, I do. Please tell the name of your YouTube channel. The Rebel Kid. Idiots. You're so cute. I've made 7 edits, but I never DM you because I thought you will never see them. I will see them. DM it to me. Actually, if you tag me in your edits, so I will definitely see them because I keep checking my tagged section. Please don't tag me in stuff I am not in, please. But yeah, if you tag me in edits, I'll definitely see it. College में revealing clothes allowed है. If by revealing you mean I mean मेरे college में you can wear anything top wise. It can be shoulderless, off shoulder, cleavage, इतना सा crop top. It's not a problem. मैंने सब कुछ पहना है. Nobody cares. It's just that you cannot wear shorts. Midi skirts are fine. मतलब your thighs should be covered. I think that's the only requirement. And मेरे hostel में you can wear a bikini. Nobody cares. I think मेरे hostel का environment बहुत अच्छा है. People don't give a shit about what you're wearing. Like, you can really wear a bikini and people will not say anything. How do you inspire yourself? And you're damn cool. Definitely, you're much more mature than for a 19-year-old. Thank you, yaar. No one has ever called me mature before. Thank you. But I think nobody inspires me. I think Best Dressed inspires me for fashion. I am really, really inspired by her as a person, about the topics she talks about, the way she talks, how she's so open about her sexuality and depression and stuff. I am really inspired with that. But for, keeping that grind going, there's no inspiration. I feel like I lose inspiration very easily. But yeah, it comes back. It's Bhagwan ki den, the only thing that God gave me. Dhanka. Thanks, babe. Dude, how क्या लिखा है भाई? Dude, how अबे यार, dude, how you think on point content, but it is honestly too good. Your dialogues are just talking my mind. Thank you for watching. You're so beautiful inside out. You shouldn't let hate affect you. Thank you. Have you ever been to Gwalior? No, I wanna come to Gwalior. फोटो चापी भैया है ना ग्वालियर से. When will you get married? Not before 30. Like, mark my words, I will not get married before 30. I feel like मैं engagement कर लूँगी बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी, maybe like 20-21 में. But I won't get married till like, I don't know, 30, 35, 40. Because I just want to have that, free life. And I feel like शादी के बाद you're just so constrained. Or at least that's how I've seen my parents.
वैसे क्या फर्क पड़ता है जी, 40 की बात करें?
Top 3 influencers. Best Dressed, Nava Rose. Wow.
एक जिसको आप देखते हैं तो जिसका
Ansi Twinkle.
जिसका मार्ले देखते हैं तो
Marlon?
जिसके उस पे लिखा होता है मेकअप वाले बॉक्स पे मार्ले लिखा होता है MAR.
Oh, Mar. नहीं, वो तो ऐसे ही. I don't like Mar that much. हाय दी, आप मुझे अपना भाई बनाओगे? किसने मुझे ईमेल किया है? भाई मुझे मत ईमेल किया करो, मतलब वो कितनी कंफ्यूजन होती है. बट हाँ यार, आ जाओ, भाई बनने के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मुझे बस हर राखी पे गुच का बैग चाहिए. गुच का बैग, गुच का पर्स, गुच की टी शर्ट, गुच की जीन्स और गुच का मुंह. अगर किसी ने मेरी यूट्यूब वीडियो देखी है तो उन्हें पता होगा कि क्या रेफरेंस है. डू यू राइट योर ओन स्क्रिप्ट? येस आई डू. एंड इट्स अ वेरी टफ जॉब भाई. मतलब मुझे बोलते हुए इतनी शर्म आती है ना, बिकॉज माई वीडियोज आर ओनली 30 seconds एंड मैं उसके लिए बोल रही हूँ राइटिंग माई स्क्रिप्ट इज सो डिफिकल्ट. बट या ब्रो, आई what is the best? Yes, I even shoot my videos on my own. मतलब मेरे let me show you. Okay, so ये दरवाजा है, ठीक है, एंड बीच वाला जो पोर्शन है दरवाजे पे, उस पे आई कीप माई फोन एंड देन आई शूट हेयर. लाइक दिस इज द एरिया, बिकॉज उधर से नेचुरल लाइट आती रहती है ना. आई डोंट हैव एनी लाइटिंग सेटअप एंड कोई मेरे पास मेरी वीडियोज बनाने के लिए नहीं है. सो दैट्स वेयर आई कीप माई फोन. फेवरेट प्लेस टू हैंग आउट इन जयपुर? अगर वो योलो वाली फील्स देनी हो तो इट वुड बी नारगढ़ के ऊपर आधी रात को. दैट्स रियली फन. एंड वैसे अगर लाइक कैफे वैफे हो तो निब्स इज नो, नॉट निब्स. यार वो कौन सा कैफे है?
भाई मेरे को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं.
Z5. यार Z5 का है ना, सम लॉफ्ट ऑफ फन. दैट्स देयर Instagram handle. Like that's all I know. I am from Gwalior. Hi, Apurva fan. I will definitely come to Gwalior because Food Factory is from Gwalior. So, hello, small brother.
हेलो.
I was depressed from past few months. Your videos really helped. Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, am I crying? This is so embarrassing. But yeah, thank you. Okay, so I have to wait for 11. यार मैं रोज ही रही हूँ यार. What the hell, bro? Okay.
तो रोल क्या दिखा है?
Anything you love more, fear more, serve more. God is your idol. If we insist upon trying, we end within the night. पता नहीं भाई क्या लिखा है, बहुत लंबा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. When will you make second part of Friends? I actually deleted first part यार. I really hated it. Have you considered studying abroad? यार मैं MBA बाहर से करूँगी अगर सब सही रहा तो. Do you like the Momit skills? I love her makeup videos, her fashion videos, her aesthetics. her comedy videos are not really my cup of tea. I like more where there's a lot of dialogue delivery, and she doesn't really do that. She does more of like gaane pe videos banana, which is I think amazing, but it's not something that I enjoy watching.
ये फैन चलाऊं?
Your mom's favorite post of yours. मम्मा, मेरी favorite video कौन सी है आपकी? I'll ask her. Bro, do you have some mind or completely lost? What did he say? Wait, let me find. मेघना को भी कोई कुछ कह रहा है यार. I can't find people. What the hell, bro? यार मैं कुछ सुन नहीं पा रही, मतलब मैं कुछ पढ़ नहीं पा रही कि लोग दूसरों.
People Drive Part 1.
Okay, so my mom's favorite videos is Shit People Say While Driving Part 1. You're from Sonipat na? No, I am not from Sonipat. I'm from Panipat. Here since before 5K. You are the OG. I love you. My content was so shitty before 5K. Can't you just get an award for being the cutest person? I know, right? It's like वो Monica वाला. I know. Your content make us smile and you are the best. Keep it up. Say hi to small bro. Loads of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, hi.
Virtual hugs. मार्क्स बता दो अपने बोर्ड्स के 95.4 इन 12th एंड 10 GPA इन 10th. Love your content and fashion sense. Wow, thank you. Oh, nice. I was born in Panipat. My maternal family stays there, although I live in Delhi. If you visit sometime, come and meet me.
D143.
I have sent you songs for outfit videos. Check DMS ASAP. Thank you. I will check it. Thank you. Are you the same person in real as in video? I am मैंने अपनी बहुत सारी lives में कहा है, but I am a much funnier person in real life. तू बता कृष्णा, मैं real में ज़्यादा funny हूँ या Instagram पे?
Real.
है ना? See, like if you talk to anyone who knows me, who has been my friend, they will always tell you that I am funnier in real life because I have a more spontaneous sense of humor and like I can make any situation funny. Like just trust me on this one.
क्योंकि आप हमें सिर्फ एक वर्ड में हंसा देते हो, पता नहीं कैसे, लेकिन हमें आ जाता है.
See, it's proof. Singing कैसी है आपकी? कुछ ज़्यादा ही खराब. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I'm a really busy person and I have a lot of shit to do. No, actually, I don't have anything to do. But मैं बोल के थक गई हूँ यार अब. And so, bye-bye. Love you guys and thank you for following me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for not commenting shit. If you comment shit, you should die, babe. But if you don't, thank you. And
If you don't, thank you.
bye. Love you. I'll save this live in case anyone wants to watch it बाद में, which I don't think anybody does. But if you're watching this बाद में and you like made it this far, bro, amazing. Are you so obsessed with me? Okay, bye. I mean, I wanted to do a transition, but it just won't cut the call like that.